Massive storm disaster in Spain. Coastlines submerged. Life comes to a standstill. Ladies and gentlemen, today, I want to address the severe weather conditions that have recently impacted Spain, particularly the devastating storms that have swept across various regions of the country. These storms have brought about unprecedented challenges, affecting not only the day-to-day lives of the residents, but also the infrastructure and economy of the nation. Over the past week, Spain has been grappling with a series of intense storms that have primarily hit the eastern and southern regions. The storms have been characterized by gale-force winds, torrential rain, and in some areas, hailstorms. Wind speeds have reached over 120 kilometers per hour in certain coastal areas, creating a hazardous environment both on land and at sea. The relentless rain has led to widespread flooding, with rivers overflowing and streets turning into dangerous torrents of water. One of the most affected regions is the Valencian community, where emergency services have been working around the clock to respond to numerous incidents caused by the storm. In cities like Valencia and Alicante, the local authorities have declared a state of emergency, urging residents to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel. The heavy rain has caused severe flooding in urban areas, leading to the closure of schools, businesses, and public transport systems. Emergency shelters have been set up for those who have been displaced by the rising waters. The Balearic Islands, known for their beautiful beaches and tourist attractions, have not been spared either. The islands have experienced significant damage due to the combination of high winds and storm surges. Coastal areas have been battered by waves reaching up to 6 meters in height, causing extensive erosion and damaging seaside properties. The tourism sector, which is a vital part of the local economy, has taken a severe hit, with many visitors canceling their trips due to the dangerous weather conditions. In Catalonia, the situation is similarly dire. The region has witnessed some of the heaviest rainfall in decades, with certain areas recording over 200 millimeters of rain in just 24 hours. The rapid accumulation of water has overwhelmed drainage systems, leading to flash floods that have engulfed homes, roads, and farmlands. Agriculture, a key industry in Catalonia, is expected to suffer significant losses as crops are destroyed and farmland is rendered unusable. The Spanish government has mobilized all available resources to assist in the relief efforts. The military's emergency unit, known as the UME, has been deployed to the most affected areas to assist with evacuations, rescue operations, and the distribution of emergency supplies. In addition, the government has announced a relief package aimed at providing financial assistance to those who have suffered losses due to the storm. Meteorologists have warned that these extreme weather conditions are likely to persist for a few more days. The storms are expected to continue moving across the country, potentially affecting other regions that have so far been spared the worst of the weather. Authorities have urged residents to remain vigilant and to heed all warnings and instructions issued by emergency services. It is important to recognize that while this storm has caused significant disruption and hardship, it also serves as a stark reminder of the growing impact of climate change. The frequency and intensity of such extreme weather events are increasing, and we must take urgent action to mitigate their effects. This includes investing in more resilient infrastructure, improving disaster preparedness, and taking bold steps to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. In conclusion, as Spain continues to face the challenges posed by this storm, it is crucial that we come together as a community to support those who have been affected. The resilience and solidarity of the Spanish people will be key in overcoming this crisis and rebuilding in the aftermath of the storm. Let us all do our part to help those in need and to work towards a more sustainable and secure future. Thank you.
Espérate que pilla. Espera que pilla otra vez. El loro que pilla. Bueno, espera que se le ha apretado el delante. Mira, mira cómo va a pillar. Massa. Por això surt marró, perquè ve d'allà.